Hey, good morning. This is Joe Ader from Frankfurt on Foot, and today we're at the Gutleut Kasern. This is an old Prussian Kasern, but also used by the Americans. So it's an amazing looking building. We can't go inside, but I just want to show you the outside of it. If you ever worked here, please comment and tell us what you did and when. Here at the former Gutleut Kasern, this is now Sozialgericht. I'm not quite sure what that means. I might have to look that up. Well, look how beautiful this building is. I'd like to see what it looked like back in the day when the Prussians first built it, and then when the Americans were here. Look at this. They've restored it nicely. So it's two different buildings now. This end down here is a Sozialgericht, and the other one's about it's like land use, or I don't know. It's hard to describe what it's for. I'll take a picture of the sign and you can tell me what it is. The Prussians definitely built some interesting buildings here. So it's building 10 and 11 down here. So Sozialgericht, and then Landesbetrieb Bau und Immobilien Hessen. I don't know what that is, number 10. Look at these great pillars here. And I love the windows. Amazing building. Please, if you were here as a soldier, please let us know about it. It says here, oh, 1946, 610. Somebody carved something here into this pillar. This is the history of it, 1877 to 1879, and then they don't really say much else until 1979 to 1980 that they demolished the rear barracks. There's nothing about what they did with this building in World War I, or World War II, after the Americans had it. But look at this hallway here, with these paintings up here on the arches. And here, that's the Finanzamt across the street. And we have these up here. Even the borders are pretty. I had no idea this was here. So I discover something new about Frankfurt every single day. And I really like these arches out here with the skylights in them. As well as these pillars here. I really like them. I can't believe they left this building empty for 100 years. You know they had to have used it. So these are painted up here between 1870, 71. I'm gonna have to take some still pictures of these. I'm just, wow. So let's continue on down the street. This must have been a bustling street at some point in time, full of horses and carriages and soldiers on horses back when the Prussians were here. Even World War I, and I'm sure it was a lot different in World War II, and of course when the Americans were out here. I've seen pictures like the juice and a halves and trucks pulling up and jeeps. I'm going to look up some more old pictures of this building. It fascinates me to have all of this still here. All the stories. Was there a mess hall here? Did anybody live here? What all happened in this building? Was there a jail in here? Wow. We're down at the one end. This building's awful long, so I'm not going to walk all the way down the other end, but you can see how huge it is. This was a massive building at one point in time. I mean, it still is a massive building, but how many people must have lived here? Thanks for watching today, and thanks for subscribing and sharing, and we'll see you at the next video. I'm going to try and get some more Kaserns filmed. Places where people used to live and work. See you on the next video. Bye.